Hi everyone, Radical Tutor here explaining. In this video, we are going to look at a grade 12 past paper which was written in 2023 final examination, internal examination. Alright, so we are answering question 5b and this is chemistry section. So we are saying the pH scale is used to indicate how acidic or alkaline a solution is. The pH scale is used to indicate how acidic or alkaline a solution is. Some numbers from the pH scale are given in the following list. So meaning that they have gotten the numbers from the pH scale that have been depicted to you. So these are the numbers shown to you to say they are gotten from the pH scale. And then it must interest you to note that numbers on a pH scale starts from 1 to 14. So a pH scale measures how acidic or how basicity a solution is. So the numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the number which is on the middle here represents a solution which is neither acidic nor basic. So meaning that if a solution lies on the 7, meaning that solution is neither acidic nor basic. Now, also you should know that the numbers that are put to your left hand side represents acidic of a solution, how acidic a solution is. So these numbers here represents how acidic a solution is, while the numbers which are put to your right hand side represents how basic the solution is. So these numbers at the right hand side represents an alkaline solution, so they represent an alkaline solution, like that. Now, what you should know is that when you have a number which is on the middle, which is a 7, that 7 is a solution which is neither acidic nor basic. Now, also, you should know that if you have a 1, a solution lies on a 1, meaning that that solution is more acidic than a solution which is lying on the number 2. Also, if a solution is lying on 10, also if a solution is lying on 14, meaning that that solution is more basic than a solution which is lying maybe on 13. That's what you're supposed to know. Okay, so meaning that as you are going this direction, the basicity of a solution increases. So you have an increase there in the basicity of any given solution. Then also here what happens is that as you are going towards the 7, what will happen to the acidity or acidity of a solution? It reduces. So the acidity of the solution reduces like that. That's what happens. Now, going back to our questions, we say what type of solution would have a pH of 1? So what type of a solution would have a pH of 1? So a type of solution that will have a pH of 1 is a strong acid. So that's the answer that we are going to have. The type of solution that is going to have a pH of 1 is a strong acid. You can even give examples. Examples of strong acid are, the sulfuric acid, the nitric acid. Those are strong acids that exist. So meaning that you can say that a type of solution that would have a pH of 1 is a strong acid. So you just say strong what? A strong acid. Okay, that is a type of acid that would have a pH of 1. Then we go to question number B, which says which pH value from the above list would be for lime water? So which one among those numbers given would represent or depict lime water? Now, it must interest you to note that lime water is an alkaline or a base, and in this case, it is not a strong base for us to give it a number 14. So since in this case the numbers that are only representing a base are 12 and 14, we are going to give it 12 as its number, because we can't give it 14, because if we give it 14, meaning that we are saying that lime water is a very strong base, which cannot be the case. So we are going to give it 14 as its number. So the one which is going to represent lime water is 14, which is the alkaline or basic solution. Okay, so we're going to say there to say it is a what? It is a 12. So we put 12 there. Then which one would represent or depict pure water? So the one that is depicting pure water is the solution which is neither basic nor alkaline. So in this case is the one which is lying on what? On 7. So we pick the one which is 7. So we're going to put the number what? 7 here. So we put the number 7. Then which one will represent vinegar? So the one that will represent vinegar in this case is the one which is okay, so the one that is representing vinegar is an acid. Okay, vinegar is an acid, and since we only have two numbers representing acids, which are 1 and 3, we are going to pick 3 because we cannot pick 1. If you pick 1, it means we are saying that vinegar is a very strong acid, and the vinegar comes from fruits, meaning that you cannot have acid coming from fruits being a very strong acid. So we are going to pick 3 as our number representing vinegar, which is an acid. So we are going to pick 3 there. So that is how you answer such a question. Then we have our question number 3. So for us to go to question 3, kindly unlock it by following my Facebook page, and also go and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials on grade 12 science exams. See you next time. Bye bye.